8th mile.
Yeah, 8th mile. Wait, you're talking about 6 in the
quarter.
What?
And that's the old design. That's the iron block. This is a vast improvement on that.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to another edition of Let's Take a Car to a Really Far State and Get It Worked On. And this time it happens to be the Buick. Some of y'all may know I windowed the block in the Buick about 2 or 3 years ago, and it's just been sitting in the garage ever since. Well, the motor is finally built, it's ready to go, and so I'm taking it to North Carolina to a shop that only does Buicks, and we're getting the built motor put in, new bigger turbo, new trans, and I think it's a built trans, a standalone ECU, and a bunch of other stuff. So it's gonna be a badass car when it gets back. But I mean, it was already a badass car. It was doing 630s to the 8th on just head work on the motor and a bigger turbo, suspension work, just really minimal stuff. So now it should be really, really fast. But I have to get it onto the trailer without it running, and our trailer doesn't have a winch on it. So I've actually hooked up my Jeep, ran a snatch block to the trailer, and I'm going to try and pull it up onto the trailer. Think it should work. I'm hoping it does, because that's about the only way I have to get it onto the trailer, but I guess we will see. Holy shit. Holy shit. It just started moving my Jeep forward. Alright guys, on the trailer, had to move the snatch block to my dad's truck, but it is up there. There you can see the window that I put in this bitch. Pretty big one. It's the inside of a Buick Grand National motor if you ain't ever seen it. Hell yeah. Done fucked that bitch up. Alright guys, she's all loaded up, ready to go, except for the hood. Still haven't really figured out a way to keep it shut, because the latch is like, no matter what I do with the latch, it won't work. I actually attached a strap to the latch thing. I ran it through a hole, and I have a ratchet strap attached to the strap on the other end. So I mean, it's held on by its emergency latch, and then if I can ratchet strap it down, maybe that might work, like ratchet strap it to the body or something. Alright, let's see, that's tight. We're on the way, and we're gonna stay in Tennessee tonight. There's Chance. And yeah, Kyle Loftus. Fuck 1320. It's day 2. We're on the second leg of the journey, about to be into North Carolina in a couple hours. Super hyped just to get this thing dropped off and not have to worry about it anymore. But yeah, we're about to get on the road. Gotta take that dope shot. I'll get out of the way of the dope shot. Oh, that's a dope shot. Oh shit, we got windows down for the tunnel. Oh hell yeah, going through a mountain. Woohoo! Nice. Well guys, we made it into Charlotte. We still have the car. We're dropping it off in the morning, but damn, this city looks sick. We just passed NASCAR headquarters over there. I'm looking like a total tourist going 5 miles an hour through the city. Grand National. Oh, Grand Nationals. He only does Grand Nationals. Holy shit, there's a ton. Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna have to figure out a way to like back this bitch in, or... Dude, this is heaven! What? This is crazy. Alright, puppy, move out the way. This is crazy. Hello? Hello? This is so sick though. How's it going, man? Yeah. You got an awesome place here, man. I've never seen this many Grand Nationals in my life.
Well, they hang out here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see the nice window in the block from down here.
Oh, there's. That's why we're doing that.
Oh yeah.
I thought we were gonna just swap this into something else and. Oh my god!
Yeah. Yeah.
That is awesome.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Whoa.
Yeah.
What happened?
I was literally driving it home on the interstate from getting the windows tinted. Driving down the interstate, and out of nowhere, I hear the motor just start pinging. And before I could even pull over, smoke went everywhere, oil was everywhere, and that was what happened.
Were you in boost?
No, not at all.
Had you raced it?
Nope.
I think the window tinters did. They had to. I've never seen a window like that, unless someone who was like a totally novice built the motor.
No, well, the motor's not built. It's got a stock block, stock bottom end. It's got built heads.
I do
and
the built to your tuner.
Do what?
I
Tuner?
do the
Yeah,
built to
yeah, tuner. Yeah, my dad told me to tell you, make it as fast as you can without sacrificing daily drivability or just like driving it around. He said he wants it.
One man's street car is another man's race car.
Yeah. I mean, well, if you can drive it to Cars and Coffee on the weekends. I mean, I saw the invoice, and I knew that it was quite expensive for a motor. Yeah. The real deal? Well, hell yeah. Damn, this is a shop.
A little cluttered, but
Yeah,
Nice.
this right here.
this is based on a design that, I mean, what's the fastest stage G motor?
6 seconds and a quarter.
Yeah, that
This
one
is an
went.
improvement on that block.
I think he went. My dad went 630 in that on the stock
You're
motor.
talking about an 8th mile.
Yeah, 8th mile. Well, you're talking about 6 in the
Quarter.
what?
And that's the old design. That's the iron block. This is a vast improvement on that.
Are you kidding
So
me?
No.
to only put 900 horsepower is kind of a shame.
Yeah, this will be.
Well, then turn it up.
Well-
Don't make it a shame.
Well, you
Well,
can.
here's the thing. To do that,
I love the valve cover
we'll do that.
stuff.
We
That is
didn't
sick.
ask if it was okay to do that, but
No, that is cool as
we
shit.
were hoping he would.
Hell
do it.
yeah. That looks sick. It's cool, man.
I mean,
Bell
we're
housings.
just totally slammed.
Yeah, I can tell, dude.
And then the other stuff's where we work on the cars themselves.
Like, geez, you have
yeah,
40, 50 motors in here.
I think there's 90 on the property.
Oh my god. That is crazy.
Crazy. And, you know, we have a chassis dyno and an engine dyno,
Damn.
and we do all our own machining. We don't send it out to machine
I
shop.
can tell these tools are insane.
Yeah, the place is a clutter mess, but we do everything, and this is the only kind of car we work on.
Yeah, I can tell.
We do everything. We do everything.
This is so cool. I love your in the ground dyno. That's sick.
Yeah.
That is very nice. Dude, just blocks for days. It's crazy, man. This is so cool.
Kind of crazy, isn't it?
It's got, wait, you said 6?
6 original miles.
6 original miles on the GNX. That is truly insane. Like, that's got to be like a priceless car.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Holy shit.
That's nice.
Dude, I can't even believe it. That's crazy, man. That is so cool. That is cool, man. This is so sick.
Yeah.
That was back into those damn trailers. Oh shit, and I just spun out in this yard. That's not good.
That's gotta be lips right there.
Well, alright guys, if the camera didn't cut off on me in there, I think it died on me. That shop is amazing. The Buick has dropped off, and now we have an 8-hour drive home. Super hype about it, bro. Hell yeah. But I will see y'all next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like, and hopefully we can get this Buick back.